All right, y'all. So this is one of the homework questions. So let's see if we can't figure this thing out. So it says the angle of elevation from a point on the ground to the top of the pyramid is 23 degrees, 20 minutes. And the angle of an elevation from a point 139 feet further back from the top of the pyramid is 16 degrees, 10 minutes. We want to find the height of the pyramid. Okay, so y'all, I'm going to first look at, say, this triangle right here. Okay, and we could say that the tangent, do this, okay, of 23 degrees and 20 minutes is going to be equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So that's going to be equal to h over x, right? Okay, so y'all, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply both sides by x. So we're going to say that h is x times the tangent of 23 degrees 20 minutes, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this triangle, okay? And we could say that the tangent of 16 degrees 10 minutes is going to be equal to the opposite, which is h, all over x plus 139, okay? And y'all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by x plus 139. Okay. Do it over here too. I'm kind of running out of room, but forgive me for a minute, just because we know those are going to cancel, okay? So we're going to end up with h equals x plus 139 times the tangent of, what was it, 16 degrees, 10 minutes? Okay, 16 degrees, 10 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute that tangent to both pieces, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to have x tangent of 16 degrees, 10 minutes, okay, plus 139 tangent of 16 degrees, 10 minutes, okay? Now, from earlier, we also knew that h was equal to x times the tangent of 23 degrees, 20 minutes, okay? So we also knew that h was equal to x times the tangent of, I believe we said 23 degrees, 20 minutes. Okay? So what we have here, y'all, is we can say, well, since h is equal to this, since h is equal to that, then we can say x tangent of 23 degrees 20 minutes is equal to x tangent of 16 degrees 10 minutes plus 139 tangent 16 degrees 10 minutes. Okay, what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to go ahead and bring this guy this way. Okay, so let's do that. So we have x tangent 23 degrees 20 minutes minus x tangent of 16 degrees 10 minutes is equal to, let me come back one more time, 139 tangent 16 degrees 10 minutes, right? Okay, what I'm going to do now, y'all, I'm going to factor out my x. So we have tangent 23 degrees 20 minutes minus tangent 16 degrees 10 minutes is equal to 139 tangent 16 degrees 10 minutes, right? And now we can divide by this piece here. Tangent 23 degrees, 20 minutes minus tangent 16 degrees, 10 minutes on both sides. 23 degrees, 20 minutes minus tangent 16 degrees, 10 minutes. Sorry, got a little messy there. Okay. So y'all, I'm going to do this next step, obviously on my calculator. So let's see, why don't we try this? Let me get my calculator going. Let's clear that out. On my numerator, we had tangent 16 degrees plus 10 minutes. So y'all, I'm going to write that 10 as 10 over 60. Okay. Let's see. And I'm going to, oops, sorry. And then I'm going to, we don't need a power. So let's come back and let's delete that. Okay, divided by, and I'm going to put big parentheses here. Let's see, what do we have on the bottom again? Tangent 23 degrees, 20 minutes minus tangent 1610. Okay, let me just double check. Okay. Oops, you know what? Forgot something here on the top. Let me come back to my top again. Let's see. On my numerator, guys, 139. Okay, forgot the 139, I think. So 139 tangent of 16 degrees and 10 minutes, so it's 10 over 60. Divided by, okay, let's see, what is my denominator like? Let's see. Tangent 2320 minus tangent 1610. Okay, so tangent 23 degrees 20 minutes, so that's 20 over 60, minus tangent of 16 degrees 10 minutes, right? Okay, and let's close our parentheses again. Let's hit enter. Okay, so y'all, for X, I'm coming up with 284.85. So I'm just going to write that down real quick here. 284.85. Okay, now that we had that, y'all, remember, we're trying to find the height. And we just found that X was 284.85. Now we can substitute that in right here. So let's see. We said that H is equal to X times the tangent of, I think it was 23 degrees. Yeah. 23 degrees, 20 minutes. So now we're going to say X is 284.85 times the tangent of 23 degrees, 20 minutes. We can do that on our calculator. So I'm just going to multiply this by the tangent of 23 degrees, 20 minutes, right, equals, and so I'm coming up with 122.87. Oh, I'm sorry, that was not my X, but my H. Okay, so H was equal to, sorry, let me come back one more time, 122.87. 122.87. And I think the question asks us to round to the nearest integer, so we would say 123. Okay, I hope this makes sense. If y'all have any questions, let me know.